Baby, bring it here, baby. Come here. Come here, bring your gift here.
Here, let me stand up. Stand up and come get your gift. Okay. I'm gonna get your gift and I'm gonna open your gift. Here. Tough guy. Tough guy.
Oh!
What is in there? Can you get it?
Yay!
A monkey.
No, you're not the only monkey here.
Love the monkey? Love that monkey. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, nice. That's your monkey? Yay, monkey. Oh, cute. It's a little growth chart. A growth chart for 1-year-old you. Let's see. Yep, you outgrew this growth chart. Whoa. Whoa. So cute.
Psst. Livy Lou, come here. Leisure Livy. Look at her in her leisure suit. Ooh.
So cute. You are bigger than the Care Bears already. You are so much bigger than the Care Bears.
Psst, Livy.
How big are you? I'm
Olivia.
Big. I'm this big. How big am I? Oh, Mommy's bigger than the Care Bears. Yep. Is Livy bigger than the Care Bears? Oh my goodness. So much bigger. Yeah. So cool. Oh, mwah. Nice monkey. So soft. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. So soft.